Hey guys, the first trick that we're going to learn today is a disappearing trick that uses a coin or any small object. I have a $50 here, but a quarter will work just as well. It looks like this. A little variation that you can do with this trick is to do the move. Say I'm going to reach in my pocket and grab some magic dust, sprinkle it on my hand, and it's gone. The secret to the disappearing coin is in the name. This trick is called the French drop. It's actually the first trick I ever learned as a kid, and all you're gonna do is just drop the coin into your hand. So the way to start is to hold the coin between your thumb and all of your fingers and just practice dropping and catching it. Then you wanna practice bringing your hand in. You wanna have your thumb on your bottom and the fingers on top, and when you come in, you drop the coin. The trick here is to drop the coin once your fingers are hiding it from view. That way the drop is imperceptible. At this point, you want to just practice dropping with your other hand coming in. So, drop, drop. Next, you want to practice dropping and then rolling your hands to the right and pointing at your right hand with your left hand. The idea here is misdirection. You're gonna point to this hand, you're gonna look at this hand, which is gonna make your audience look at that hand. So as we come in, we drop, close into a fist, left hand points, and there we go. So at full speed, it looks like this, and at slow speed, that. That's the French drop.